Hello and welcome to my game that I have created for my senior project. This is the menu that will appear when you first open the game. Here you can start the game, you can change your settings, change your controls, and you can even quit the game. I'll go into further detail when I start the game. So after clicking play game, it'll start a loading screen, and it'll pick one of 4 photos that are different each time, and after that it loads us into the first level. From here, by pressing the escape button, we can change the settings. You can make it brighter or darker, you can change the post-processing, the resolution, and the anti-aliasing. We can also turn off the volumetric fog that you can see in the distance. By changing these 3 settings, you can make the game look worse, but it'll perform better. As you can see, it looks much worse, but I can change it back by putting the bars all over here. It looks much better. And we can also change the keys. These display the normal keys, so I can move forward with the W, backwards with S, right and left, and the space bar, and I can change all these to whatever I want. So now I move up with the up key and down with the down key. When I press back, this takes into effect, so the W and S key no longer have any function, but now the up and down arrow do. And if I want to reset it back to the way it was, I can press the reset input and it immediately changes. So if I want to go back to the game, I press continue, and now I'm back inside. By moving left or right, the camera will automatically follow you, but if you want, you can also use the mouse. And if you want to reset the camera to wherever the character is facing, you can press the Q key. Along the pathway to the ruins, I've set up multiple text bubbles that appear as you get closer to them. I'll tell you every functionality that I'm saying right now. So over here, we can pick up a sword by pressing the left mouse button. We can do a light attack, and by pressing the right mouse button, we can do a heavy attack. And we can combo from the heavy into a light. Each attack will drain stamina, and we can deal damage to this enemy here by pressing the mouse wheel button. We can lock on, and we can even switch between them by scrolling up or down. We can also draw our sheather blade by pressing the R key. It lets the character move just a bit faster, just a bit, and by drawing it, we can now attack. By pressing the spacebar button, we can roll if we're moving, so we can roll right, left, we can roll backwards, and if we're not moving, then just pressing the spacebar will have us dodge backwards. We can even sprint by holding the left shift key, and if you look at the top left, you'll see that it is draining stamina, and only while you're sprinting can you have the player jump. So you can't do that if you're not holding the shift key. That is all for the controls, and I'll just show the ruins area that I created. Personally, I think it looks pretty nice, especially with the nice lighting details. And over here is supposed to be a flower field. For some reason they do not load. But yep, I hope you enjoy the game and look at all the hard work I've put in. Thank you.